about multiplying the algebraic terms. Okay, let's do this one. 3x times 6x. So here, when you multiply the algebraic terms, you are multiplying the coefficient of the terms first. Okay, so let me write one more term here. Times, it's not subtract. X times 2y. So here you'll be multiplying the coefficient first. So 3, 6, and 2 are the coefficient of these terms. So 3 times 6 is 18 times 2 is 36. And then you'll be finding the variables, similar variables, not dissimilar, similar letters actually, okay, same letters, and add their powers. So x and x, these are two same letters, okay. So you will be, so x has the power of 1 and this has a power of 1. So you are just writing those down and then adding their power. So it is x raised to power 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we don't have any other, we just have one more y and we don't have any more y. So you just write y by itself because you can add the subtract any other powers because you don't have any other y. So your answer is 3, 6x square y. So when you are multiplying the variables, if you are adding the powers of the same letters. If you have same letters with the different powers, you are just adding those power. Okay, so let me do one more question. So here we have 3x square y times 2xy times 5y times 2x. So here the first thing we need to do is to multiply the coefficient. Here we have 3, 2, 5, and 2. So 3, 2 is 6, 6, 5, 30 times 2 is 60. And then you will check the letters and then add their powers. Okay, add the powers of the same letters. So this is x and it has power 2. This is x with power 1 and this is x. Okay, we are not looking for the variables. We are looking for the we are not looking for the similar variable. We are looking for the similar letters, okay, with the different powers, or they can have the same power. So x, x, x. So we have here x square, x with power 2, x with power 1, x with power 1. So here x, we have one x with power 2, other x with power 1, and other x with power 1. So we have x with power 4 now. Okay, that becomes x with power 4. If we multiply, you add the powers of these letters. So next letter we have is y. We have y, we have y. So all they have the power of 1. So you are just writing 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so you end up having 60 x raised to power 4 y raised to power 3. This is how you multiply the algebraic terms. So you are just multiplying the coefficient and you are writing the letters by adding their powers if they are getting multiplied. This is how you do it. It is not as same as adding. Well, adding, you are just adding these similar terms. You cannot add x squared with x. Okay, we will talk this in the next lesson.